that is a Nike freeze. A Nike freeze is the most famous freeze. It's not very difficult because it does not have to stay in the position. It's just a moment thing. So if you do something and you do moment and then done, the longer you hold it, the better, but it's very difficult to hold a freeze with one arm too long. So your Nike freeze, I'm going to do it fast and then we'll do it slow again. So I'll show it from the front so you can see what I'm doing. Pick your left leg. Usually it's easier with your left leg extended out. So basically on your hand, left leg out and come back in. So kick and then come out. So the next step is once you kick up, left leg out, try to touch it with your left hand. So 1, 2, and then come back down. Go back to your base and then you come back down. So 1, 2, 1. Oh, if you can do a handstand again, you can do that also. So from the front, if you would do it towards your opponent or somebody, you go 1, 2, 3 if you want to add something. So 1, 2, and that is your Nike freeze.